What's going on, guys? Welcome to the GT3 POV. We're just taking a drive with the Soul Performance exhaust to hear the 9,000 RPM. We're actually headed to a Fountain Hills car show, Conquers in the Hills, whatever it's called. So it's like a 40-minute drive. I'll show you guys the best moments basically. But enjoy this drive. So just enjoy this drive. I'm going to show you guys the best parts up until the car show. Let me know what you guys will think about this video when it's all done and uploaded. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We do all kinds of car stuff, mainly German cars. I've been more into BMW M4s in the past. Now I have this GT3. But I also want to add a BMW M4 to the collection and mod that more than I have ever before. And if you look at those videos, in the past I've done turbos, tune, E85 and stuff like that, but never hit 1,000 horsepower. So I really want to hit that goal maybe this year. But I haven't really taken this out much far besides the gym, and we're at quarter gas, so probably need some after. Well, let me show you guys a pole right here if the traffic allows it. A pole going on the 101. We're in Arizona right now, so on I-17 we'll go to 101. Maybe there's another pole there, and then some nice roads in Fountain Hills. Fountain Hills. Gas, but it's all good. We arrived to Fountain Hills over here. There's a speed check ahead. Taking speeders going to the car show right now. We weren't speeding there. They should be more in those nice roads that we're about to go into. Let me know in the comments if you like this POV so far. I can't see it yet, but I feel like the lighting is a little bit weird. Think of the Scenic drive. We haven't had that many twisty roads yet. Have you guys been to Concours in the Hills car show before? I don't know if it's in other states too or just Arizona, but they got some pretty cool stuff with helicopters, different cars, shops setting up and everything. Low on gas, we forgot to get that, and I don't know if there's a cop behind us, but we'll see what happens. Like the cop that was on the way here we saw, usually I never seen a cop when going to this car show. I guess we're turning in this neighborhood. Should be the quickest way or something. Parking here already. That's a sign. I should probably park here somewhere because it's gonna be wild parking.